So Theodora, welcome to Voxxed Athens 2019.
Thank you very much. Thank you for having me here.
Are you enjoying today's conference?
Actually, yes. I joined the first speech, which was very inspiring for a start.
Denise.
So yeah, Denise, I've enjoyed it a lot.
Okay, you're seeing many differences from this year to last year?
Actually, the space is different, so I think that it can accommodate more people.
Absolutely.
And
the
it's
conference
very
is growing.
convenient.
The conference is growing, so it's almost 600, 700 people this
True,
year.
true.
Okay, good. Tell us about Channelbus.
Actually, Channelbus is a very growing company. We started like small, almost 15 people here in Athens, but right now we are about 110 and we keep going. Globally, we're 200 people. We're looking for talented people to join us. There are a lot of openings like pre-sales, developers, QA engineers, since we are in the mobile financial services sector and we need to grow in-house in order to accommodate our needs in the Africa, Middle East, Asian markets. Mostly in cash loans, microfinancing and such services.
Fantastic. We'll see you in the
Sure,
sponsors hall. Thank
definitely.
you very much. Thank you.
Thank you
Theodora.
very much.
Thank you.
Voxxed Days is amazing event. This year we have the awareness of more than 700 participants, of developers, software engineers, testers, architects. The community is growing. It's very good for us. It's very good for Code Hub and for every company in the technology sector. It's our proud to be part of this community, to be part with these developers, to have the knowledge, to extend their knowledge and to learn more and more in order to be more productive in their process, projects, products. Code Hub has already 2 years of life. We're very proud for that. In the last 15 months, we have already trained more than 2,000 software engineers in so many technologies, from backend, from databases, from frontend, even in blockchain and Golang. And we have the biggest market here in Greece because we have as a clients more than 75% of IT sector, and we know all the developers that they are here. First of all, if one guy joined the university in IT sector, has to be proud because they have job before ending the university. First of all. Second one, the IT sector has no unemployees. The demand is very high all across Europe, not only in Greece. Very low unemployment in IT sector. And on the other hand, for the graduate persons, they have to upskill themselves, because when you go and you learn from university, you learn the basics. You don't learn the things that you have to write on the base code in a company. So you have to upskill yourself in order to be more productive and to gain more money.
Atipon is a company with a long history, actually. It started in the 90s in Silicon Valley, and we're developing this platform for publishers to bring their content to the web and take advantage of all of the new functionalities there, such as smart search and content management system and analytics and reports and the whole spectrum of features that publishers want to bring their content on there. We have 90 people in Greece. I would say about 70 of them are developers. We have also solution architects, product managers, project managers, technical writers who have the whole spectrum of roles in Athens. And besides Athens, we also have the offices in the US. We have offices in the UK, in Czech Republic, and Jordan. The online publishing is actually a domain that is quite hot. And for example, the ebooks now are gaining a lot of momentum. You know, we work with XML technologies, with what else? Design, user experience is one thing coming up. Universities, both in Greece and abroad, produce a lot of developers, but they're not enough. They're definitely not enough. Also, a lot of developers are still opting for the markets abroad.
Okay.
So that's, we still have a lot of brain drain for abroad. We try to manage, we try as hard as possible to get those people from the US, the UK, and give them benefits to work in Greece and sort of develop a good environment here in Greece. To some degree, we managed to do that.
I think you're succeeding.
In some degree, yes.
I think so.
In some degree, yes.
Oh, very good. And Voxxed Days, this is your platinum sponsors this year.
Yes.
Thank you very much for all your support.
We thank you too for
Thank
this
you.
wonderful event.
Fantastic, it's really good. I mean, almost 700 people here so far. I expect next year next year with the rate that the developer economy is growing in Greece, or the software economy is growing in Greece, we will have a double-sized event next year.
That's fantastic.
Well, thank you very much. Good luck.
Way to go.
Hello, I'm Antonis. I'm at Voxxed Days, and I'm at Voxxed Days I think for the 4th or 5th time. I've been to Thessaloniki and in Athens, and it's one of the best conferences up to now. I'm related to IT for the last almost 10 years, and it's one of the best conferences I've ever been. And I've been to San Francisco, to other European countries, and to Greece, and this is one of the best. The developer economy of Greece is really flourishing the last few years, and this is mainly because of Greek tech startups being more well-known and raising money, and thus attracting new talent. And this has also given a lot of traction to other bigger companies who were more like slow before, but now they're going fast in order to catch all those new companies emerging every new day. Voxxed is not just growing, it's growing really fast. I think it's 700 people this year, which was almost double the first time, which was around 300 to 400. Which is really amazing, which means there are many people really wanting to learn new things, meet people, network, and all those nice things. We're running the Docker meetup in Athens, which is a very nice gathering we do roughly every 2 months, and we try to gather all people related or wanting to know more things about Docker. We do it at the Cube, which is an awesome place. We've been doing it there for I think 5 years, and it's really amazing. We share knowledge, we drink beers, and we are really happy to meet more people.
Hello, I am Irene,
Irene.
and I come from the Human Resources Department of Intralot in Athens. We are really happy and proud to participate this year in Voxxed Athens. Today we are here to learn all the news in our for our IT community and to meet interesting people. We actually have all sorts and all different stacks of technology. I would actually focus on Java and mostly, and in several other languages as well, but mostly Java. It's amazing because we can see all this community of developers attending the conference, and we are really happy.
My name's Ryan Bailey. I'm the business unit lead for Equal Experts in Lisbon, and we're here on a bit of a recruitment drive to find some high quality engineers for our team. We do software development, so we work with all sorts of different size companies, from small startups to large organizations, and we generally go in and help them transform their software delivery. We know there's a lot of talent here, so we're here on, as I said, on a bit of a talent drive to find some good people here. We're trying to experiment with a bit of remote work, so we have remote workers in Portugal, and we're hoping to find some good quality experienced engineers here to join our remote team. I think it's great. One of the things we've noticed, which is fantastic, is how many women there are here. So it's great to see that Greece is, inclusive, and it's got a bit of a diverse market here, which is fantastic to see.
My name is George Stichogiorgos. I'm managing partner of Agile Actors Learning. What we do is we offer learning and development services to tech companies in Greece and abroad. It's an area that we know very well because of Agile Actors, which is an organization of more than 300 tech professionals. And this is something we enjoy, and actually it's very normal and usual for us to be here and support the community of testers, software engineers, quality in general people, Scrum Masters, the Voxxed Days community. Definitely has grown, both in terms of people attending, companies supporting the community, and also the caliber of the speakers. You don't have that often the chance to listen to Denise or John Papa to have every year, because it's the second year we support him to be here. So it's something that definitely has grown over the years. I think it's one of the few parts of the Greek economy that are in high demand at the moment. All companies, I believe, are in demand for talent, and growing talent and finding the right talent is the major, let's say, challenge for us. And this is why we decided to go into learning and development, because we believe that developing our people is the way to go and the way to keep talent internally, and also the way to attract talent. In terms of tech professionals in Agile Actors, now we are more than 300 people, and at the moment we have something like 30 open vacancies, so the demand is quite large. In terms of learning and development, I think we've passed 1,500 people trained over the past 1.5 years approximately. More than 70 companies, we call them partners because that's what they really are. So we partner with them to train and reskill and upskill their people. And we are really glad that we've built a community, and it's not just a company and a supplier, it's really a community that evolves the whole market.
I'm Dimitris Megremis. I work for OTE, OTE group of companies, and I'm responsible for internship programs in OTE. We are here because we have to be next to young people, next to young professionals. We have to be next to people that know our business. There is the only way to do well. I think Greece is going to be, in the next years, is going to be one of the major places of software development in Europe. That's what I think. And that's what we see in career days. The Greek economy needs 100 people, and the Greek people are only 50. It's terribly interesting. There are many young professionals. We discuss each other, we meet each other. It's perfect.
I work for a tech group of companies, and I'm Elena Stasi. I work for Human Resources, responsible for the business partner operation, which means whatever has to do with employer branding, recruitment, development, and training. I think it's very exciting. I see a lot of young people with potential, and I truly believe that Greece can make a difference. Cosmotest strategy in terms of recruiting in Greece is dealing with close relationship with the universities and the hubs like the developers that are really in the heart of technology. So we are a company that offers technological solutions to the public and to our customers, and we want to maintain and recruit the resources that are available in the Greek environment and not lose them in a way by them traveling and working for outside Greece. I think that it has to do a lot with the personal growth and the personal drive that you have, and nowadays you don't need even to base your career on the traditional educational systems. You can find alternative methods to grow yourself and to gain knowledge in the internet and in various certification programs that are available. So it depends a lot on your personal drive and how you build your career. And I think that also you should look below the surface of the Greek traditional companies, because nowadays we are building a new way of working, and we are opening new ways that are not the ones that you're used to, like OTE. OTE was a traditional telecom company. Now we are turning into a technological solutions company.
My name is Philipp Deutscher. I'm Director IT and Software Development at Team Euro. And yeah, now we're here at the Voxxed Athens in Athens and happy to be here. It's great. I mean, you have so many amazing developers from all over Greece, and not only Greece, all other European countries. So it's a great experience to get in touch with them, talk to them, exchange experiences. So great event so far. Oh, there were plenty of favorite moments. So I had so many discussions with developers, and we're trying to engage them also to become Team Euro employees, and we're trying to get in touch with them. So I can't remember any explicit moment. First of all, he needs to have the passion to work in a fast-growing company with great products, and we are connecting people, and not only people, devices all over the world. So we need to have people with experience, with the right mindset. Perfect.
I'm the CTO at Softomotive. Softomotive is one of the leading vendors in robotic process automation, RPA for short. RPA is a technology that promises to turn everyone into a developer. Well, actually, to give everyone the power of a developer. It's a very hot trend. It's part of the fourth industrial revolution. It collaborates with all new technologies like machine learning, AI, cloud, big data. We are looking for bright minds to join our team. If anyone feels that this technology excites him or her in any way, we are open. We have a lot of open spots. I have enjoyed the event here in Voxxed Days a lot. We met a lot of people. We had a lot of interesting contacts with partners and other companies that we now found out what they do. And we found common areas that we can collaborate with. We have enjoyed Voxxed Days a lot. We have made a lot of interesting contacts. We found out a lot about companies that we didn't know what they were doing. It gave us the opportunity to tell the people what robotic process automation is all about. We believe that the Greek development economy is growing. It's booming right now. The funding that we received proves that momentum. Here at Softomotive, we have a lot of open spots for development. We are growing, and I think there are a lot of opportunities for people in Softomotive and generally in Greece.
My name is Eleftheria Thessalonikeves. I currently hold the position of Senior Talent Acquisition Specialist in Novibet. If you don't know, Novibet is an online gaming operator. We have all the suite, sportsbook and also casino. We have our head offices in Athens and in UK, our subsidiary, and we currently occupy more than 150 employees. We are at Voxxed Days because we are a fast-moving company. We have our own platform designed by our own software architects, and we want to meet more talent, more software developers to grow our business. Stay tuned. The future is going very, very fast, so each aspect of the new code is mandatory to proceed. Everything is under control. We have right now commission from the UK gambling industry and also from Malta, which practically means that it's a responsible game. So if you are seriously gamesome, you can also join Novibet.
I'm Jeremy Halitsis. I'm heading the new ventures department in Intrasoft International. Intrasoft International is a company activating in 14 countries, dealing with government solutions and solutions for the large enterprise sector. We are, of course, on the software side. That's why in the Intrasoft suffix in the word. And most of our revenue comes from outside Greece, although a big base of us still is in Greece. We are here to meet young people. We are here that young people will meet us, understand what we do, tell them how we innovate, tell them how we would like to participate in our strategy and our future plans, and also understand how they think and how they should evolve. Customs, banking. Well, we have several domains that we are focusing strategically. The artificial intelligence domain is a big focus for us. But in general, building applications for our customers in an agile manner and always staying close to our customers, understanding their business needs and providing value for them is our biggest goal. The young people that would like to come with us should, first of all, feel energetic and active and open to join such a system. New Ventures is a relatively young department in Intrasoft. It is here the last 3 years. Our goal is to introduce new technologies, innovative new technologies in our products, and also to find smaller companies, smaller third parties that would like to cooperate with Intrasoft in all respective ways, manner. We have managed to create some new verticals within Intrasoft. mainly within the financial sector, artificial intelligence, and also now we are touching the blockchain sector. It is, let's say, the entrepreneurship activity of a company. It's not a corporate branding activity like a lot of companies do, justifiably, but this activity mainly focuses in creating value for the company itself. We try to stay very, very close to the young development ecosystem. It is what we are made of. It is what provides value to our customers. So we try to be very, very close to this ecosystem, provide our expertise, and also again listen and learn how they view the world and what they want to gain from working in a company.
Hello, I'm Hermione. I'm in HR in Vodafone for the last 2 years. It's an amazing experience here in Voxxed Athens. It's our second participation. You're very supportive with us, so thank you for that, and we hope next year to see you again. We're actually looking for software engineers nowadays to build our in-house development center, mainly back-end, front-end, mobile,